Tax settings. In tax settings, we will discuss how to set tax rate, how to set compound tax, and how to create tax groups. You can go to tax settings. From settings, you can select taxes under taxes and compliance. To create tax rate, you can select tax rates and you can click this new tax button. You can enter your tax name and tax rate. You will create VAT 5%. You can enter rate as 5 and you can save. Like that, we can create tax rates.